What's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at my May Ipsy Glam Bag versus my May Play Sephora. We're going to compare each box to each other. They both cost $10. In your Ipsy bag you get 5 deluxe samples based on your beauty profile. In Play Sephora, you get 5 samples with 1 fragrance or hair sample for $10. So we're going to compare each subscription to see which one is better in May. Before we get into that, I want to mention something. A dear subscriber that is subscribed to my channel, I'm not going to say her name because I didn't ask her if I could mention her name. She has a son who was diagnosed with cancer, brain cancer, years ago. He is since cancer-free, but went through radiation and chemotherapy to get where he's at today. And she asked me to give a little shout out because in May, it's Brain Cancer Awareness Month. And she wanted to say that she went through St. Jude, and she said when you go through St. Jude, you don't pay anything. Everything's covered. Transportation, doctors, everything. So, and I've heard this from several people. I've never experienced it myself, but they really help you out when you have a sick child. And I know my husband and I, whenever we donate, that is one of the people we donate to, St. Jude's. It's fully funded by donations. It does not have make a profit or anything like that. So I just wanted to mention that. And if anybody's compelled to give a donation at tax time or whatever, I'll put the link below. And if you want to give a donation, that's fine. I just wanted to mention that and make people aware of what St. Jude is. And my friend's child is going through some issues. He is cancer-free, but from the radiation and chemotherapy, it has affected his growth, his pituitary gland, so he has to take growth hormones. He has things wrong, like too much iron in his system, several issues he's dealing with today because of the treatments, because the chemo and radiation are very hard on the body. They almost have to kill you to cure you, basically, is what I understand. And she also wanted me to mention that only 4% of national donations go to children cancer research. Only 4% of all national money donated go to children cancer research, which is so low. I don't understand why that is, but it's just to make people aware of what's going on out there. So let's move on. First bag we're going to look at is our Ipsy Glam Bag, and this month we have like a rose gold little cosmetics bag. And they're all about this size. And when we open it up, we have the little card here. And that should show us which items we received. And it's kind of small, so I'm going to need some help. Now, this month I noticed we did get a few full-size items. Okay, first, I received a MAC Prep and Prime. This is a hydrating primer by MAC. I've never tried this, so I'm anxious to try this. The second thing on my list from Pretty Woman is the nail polish in platinum status. And it's a nail polish, and it's silver. It's a smaller bottle, but I hardly ever go through a whole bottle of nail polish. This is a good size to wear it quite a few times. I wouldn't say this it's almost a full-size polish, but not quite. But it's a nice size. And my third product is from REP Bio Fresh Mask with Real Calming Herbs. And it's a clay mask. And clay masks always help with oil on your skin. It deep cleans your pores and gently exfoliates. But when I see clay, I always think about oil. And this is what it looks like. This is the size. And I'm sure I don't use clay masks because of my dry face, but I will pass this on to somebody that has oily skin because they're really good for an oily complexion. The next item is from Naked Cosmetics. It's a loose pigment in Painted Canyon. It's they say try a smoky effect. Use a damp dense shader brush. Okay, let me show you what this looks like. This is from Naked Cosmetics, and this is the container. It's a single eyeshadow, and it's loose pigments. And it's like a brown, bronzy color. See if I can just get a little bit to show you a swatch of it. This is what it looks like. It's just basically a brown color, which I use a lot of browns, so I may be trying this one out. I haven't tried a lot of loose pigments, so I'm anxious to try loose pigment, to tell you the truth. And last but not least, we have a full-size Ofra liquid lipstick, and this is the long-lasting liquid lipstick in Mocha, which goes quite well with the eyeshadow. And it says that it's a hydrating lip balm to soften and smooth over dry lips. It says this brand's best known for their hypoallergenic makeup with skincare benefits. So this has vitamin A and it's vanilla scented. And I have quite a few Ofra lipsticks and I really like their formula. Let's get a little swatch of it. It's a little clumpy right here, but oh, it's really pretty. It's like a rose color with a hint of brown in it, but I like the shade. That's it right there. Very pretty. Well, just this lippy is worth like 20 bucks. Do they even say? I mean, this is a full-size lipstick. This pays for the whole bag. Ooh, I don't know, Play Sephora. This may be hard for Play Sephora to beat. Plus, we got the cosmetics bag. Now, let's check my Play Sephora box. This is how Play Sephora comes. And instead of getting a cloth bag, you now get a little plastic bag. Of course, you get your little poster here with all the items. You get 50 points for your Sephora card. And you get an outline of everything in your box right here. First item, Ride or Chai. Ride or Chai. It's from Bite Beauty, and it's the Anuse Bouche lipstick in Chai. It's a creamy, high-impact lipstick in a trendy mauve brown shade. What's your BFF? And it tells you how to use it. Okay, let's check that out. And this is the bag I was speaking of here. Everything comes in this bag. I took it out already. That's why it's not in there. And this is the sample lipstick. It's not a full size. It's a sample Bite lipstick. And this is the shade. You can see that. I will swatch this one next to the Ofra one. It's very close to the same color. But the Bite Beauty one looks a little bit more on the rose side. If you can see that. Right here, the slender line is the Bite Beauty. But they're very close on camera. I think it looks pretty close. But in person, it looks a little bit deeper than the Ofra one. But close to the same color. Isn't that odd? Okay, next we have from Lancome. It's a eyelash primer, and it's in this little bag here. Let's take it out and see. It's to prime your lashes, and I'm gonna open it to show you. If you open it, it looks just like this. And whoop, whoop. Okay guys, you know I can't see good. I have no depth perception. Okay, let's see what that is for. It's a conditioning primer that lengthens and strengthens lashes prior to mascara application. And it says it's infused with microfibers and vitamin E. This primer improves your mascara's performance, producing darker, longer, and more voluptuous lashes. Plus, it doubles as a nourishing lash mask at night. Okay, so you put this on at night, get some vitamins and nourishing to your lashes. And to use it, you just, from root to tip, and then follow with your mascara before the primer dries, okay? So once you apply this, you have to hurry and put your mascara on before this actually dries. So I'm gonna have to remember that. Next, we have from Coola. It's this little product, and it says it's Coola's Mineral Sunsilk Cream SPF 30. And this is an oil-free mineral sunscreen that helps protect skin from UV rays and pollution. This is supposed to be a good sunscreen to wear under your makeup. Yeah. Okay, moving on from Tarte. It's from the line Rainforest of the Sea. And this is it here. Tarte this is a deep dive makeup removing gel cleanser. And it's a brightening daily cleanser that removes waterproof makeup. And you only need a pearl size amount. And it's hydrating gel cleanser. And it says it removes impurities while reducing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. So a lot of the skincare has extra benefits in it, you know. So this is just not a makeup remover. It's got extra vitamins in it to help your skin. So I'm anxious to try this out. Let's see, next we have from, this next product is from Moroccanoil. It's the Protect and Prevent Spray. And this is what it looks like. It's in this little cardboard container. And you just open this up. And inside you have a nice size deluxe sample, I'd call this. And what this is, it's for your hair. And I've tried other things from the Moroccan brand, but never this product. All their products are usually very nice. This is a leave-in conditioning spray and protects strands from pollution. It says everyday environmental stressors threaten your health, but this antioxidant-packed formula protects strands from color fade while adding major shine. So you just spray this evenly through towel-dried hair and comb it through before styling. And it's supposed to give your hair a nice shine and protect it from any pollutants in the air. So I'm gonna give this a try also. And last but not least, we have a sample of a fragrance, and this fragrance is the Jo Malone London Wood Sage and Salt Sea Cologne. And it's just your typical fragrance sample. And that's what the top looks like. Okay, and let me see if I even like this. I haven't tried it before. Let's see. Oh, it's got a really nice fresh scent. I like the scent. Okay, let's compare these products, guys. We got a Jo Malone fragrance, like a shine conditioning hairspray to protect your hair. We also got a lash primer and also a lash conditioner you can wear at night. We got a Bite Beauty lip sample. We got sunscreen, and we got a Tarte makeup remover. And on the other side, we have a MAC primer. We have a clay mask, which I can't wear because this is more for oily skin than dry skin. Evidently, they didn't read my quiz here. I've never heard of this brand. We've got one loose pigment from Naked Cosmetics, which I like this color. We got a silver nail polish, and last but not least is the Ofra Lippy. So which one? I can tell you, first off, I always love Play Sephora. They always give you the newest brands. It's not a lot of indie brands, or I know like Ipsy and Boxycharm seem to get a lot of overseas companies that are just starting out that want to market their items, but Play Sephora has access to all the big name brands, it seems, like Coola and Tarte, but you see Tarte in the other products, Bite Beauty, Lancome. I always think their products are high-end products, whereas with Bite Beauty, I'll never use this silver nail polish. Silver's not really my color on my nails. I don't think I'll ever wear this. I won't be using the clay mask, but I will use these three products. So, I hate to say this, but I think they're about even, because this makes up for the whole bag, getting a $15 to $20 liquid lipstick. Plus, I can try out a MAC primer that I've never tried out, and I have something I'll use for a long time with this. So, I don't see any obvious winner over the two. I would say they're pretty much even this month. In the comments, please put what you think about the products. I really think they're about even. I think these brands that are in Sephora are a little bit higher end brands that I've heard of, but that's not to say like a brand like this is not good. I just have never heard of it. It just may be me that's never heard of it. So I'm calling it a tie this month, but I'll do this again next month and we'll see how they come out again. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing my two little $10 subscriptions here. If you want to subscribe to either Ipsy Glam Bag or Play Sephora, I will have the links below. And remember about our giveaway going on. Make sure you comment. If you don't know what I'm talking about, read all the rules and regulations below so you can get into the giveaway. Please remember to share this video with your friends. I would really appreciate it, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And please, if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And until I see you guys next time, bye. Bye.